So, quick update on what we're doing next. The construction zone is getting a little more construction-y than homey, so we're just going to take a quick break, pull out all of the junk, tools, wood, screws, garbage, and just get it all taken care of, vacuum out all the sawdust before we get into doing any more painting or staining. So that's the next steps for now. Enjoy, follow along, and you might even get a Sophie appearance if you watch closely. To specifically thank Sophie for all her hard work vacuuming and sweeping and getting this place so it's borderline spotless, so I can paint without worrying about getting a bunch of sawdust everywhere and in the paint and the polyurethane. So I'll give you a quick 360 here. So obviously the countertops are all done. Inside the cabinets, they haven't been this clean since I bought them, so that's cool. And then obviously in through and around here, she did inside the sink, you name it. Benches are clean, floors, you can see them, that's strange. Bathroom floor also clean, wow. And all this stuff back under the bed, in the drawers, and the storage, you name it, all spotless. So almost too clean if you ask me, but that's fine, good enough to paint on. So thanks again, So, for your help.
You're welcome.